This is the 1953 Gucci Crocodile Horsebit Loafer. So, came with a nice holiday bag here. Nice looking box. Good looking shoe bag. So the reason I'm making this video is I couldn't find a good review of this shoe online on YouTube. So I was kind of worried it might have had a patent leather finish. It is a little shiny, but it's not that patent leather mirror finish. It's just a great looking shoe. So as far as sizing goes, it can be a little confusing. I have a 13.5 UK, which on Gucci's website corresponds to the US 14. And I'm usually a US 14, and this fits true to size. So it's a great looking shoe. Should hold up for a lifetime. Of course, you can get it resold. You know, great crocodile leather there. You're not looking at little scales from the neck. This is, you know, probably the softer belly leather. Yeah. Great looking shoe. Hope this helps you out.